Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your watch history on YouTube. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube application. Then you simply need to click on your channel icon on the top right. Okay, and then you simply need to click on your data in YouTube. So it will redirect to the Chrome, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see YouTube watch history. So click on manage your YouTube watch history, and from here you can see your all watch history. That is about, you can select the day as well to show history from here, and here you can see, you can delete from here as well. So this is the process by which you can see your watch history on YouTube. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.